Those who promote or take part in illegal street races will face heftier fines as well as double the mandatory jail time if proposed amendments to the Road Traffic Act are passed into law.
Under these amendments, first-time offenders will face a maximum fine of $5,000 and up to a year in jail. Repeat offenders will be fined up to $10,000 and jailed for up to 2 years.
The courts will also be given more leeway to disqualify motorists from driving if they're convicted in road rage cases.
Other proposed changes to traffic laws will also make it an offence to ride electric bicycles on roads without passing a mandatory theory test. E-bikes are banned from footpaths but allowed on roads, cycling paths and shared paths like park connectors.
Well, this move will align the Road Traffic Act with the recently amended Active Mobility Act, and e-bike riders will need to pass a single online theory test governed by both acts. The Home Affairs Ministry said the test will cover path and road safety to ensure that riders are aware of active mobility rules, a general code of conduct as well as safe riding behaviour.
The proposed amendments also include a new offence penalising companies and individuals who employ or intentionally or negligently allow a person to ride a power-assisted bike on roads if they haven't passed the theory test.